Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V, aka Veronica. Well, today we're taking it back to October. So I have a swap that I am in, and we decided to do Halloween in November. Halloween in November, you guys. Okay, so I wasn't done with Halloween, you guys. I wanted to craft some more Halloween, and so I teamed up with, that sounds so professional. I teamed up with Natalie, and she is N Decor on IG and also YouTube as well. I'm going to have her link below and also in the icon above so you could check her out and check out when she receives the swap. So I'm super excited. Hopefully this doesn't crash your Christmas crafts, and it is well accepted. So here we go, you guys. Huge box. This is a priority box, and it is filled with goodies. You can't see this part, but I have this like lace. It's like a table runner, and I picked it up during October, and I thought I was going to use it for my photos, but I ended up not using it at all. So I'm going to put it here in the swap, and so it covers everything like so, and then it's going to be all pretty. But the box isn't decorated. Yeah, time took the best of me, and now I don't have any time. And so our swap is a memory decks and a 3D craft along with some embellishments. And you know me, you have to go above and beyond. Okay, so this is the entire swap. It fits in that large priority box. Barely. And so let's go ahead and get into all of this. And as I'm looking at it, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the box. So our memory decks. So this is our memory deck. This is the memory decks, and it is very layered. You know how I do it. So yeah, very layered. Everything's sewn. There's a spider, a skeleton. I put a little foam pom-pom right there, or ball, whatever you want to call it. And then spider right here. This is a little actually, these were earrings. I picked them up at Michael's, and I made them into charms. So there is that spider. I love it. Looks really cute right there. It says happy haunting, and the pumpkin, and then yeah, everything's sewn. I still have to add my information on the back. Hopefully I remember to do that. That is the memory decks. Okay, next is, you guys have already seen this. I have a video on it. However, I put flags in here. So there are embellished flags, and I have made some other ones, and I will show you. So there's, I believe, 3 flag embellishments in there. I did a video on that, so I will link that below as well. And then this, I don't know if you remember my 99-cent store haul. I said I was going to put this in a swap, and I did. So here it is, full of rosettes. And I just put it in a bag like I said I was going to do, and tied a bow. So that is a cup. It's plastic. And then this right here, I also did a video on, and it is the embellishment jars. And these have beads and sequins in there and something else I can't remember, but I have a video on that as well, so I'm sending her that. And then I'm sending her some of this luscious trim that Emily made. I bought it from her on IG, and she is Jersey Girl E, I believe. I will link her below. But she sells this trim, and I was very happy with it. So I bought some, and I'm giving it to Natalie. And of course, this little pin right here, I thought it went well because it's a gold star. And I'm using the Pebbles collection by Pebbles, Spooky collection by Pebbles. And so here we have, I did a video on this, the coffee mugs, and this is just a spider web embellishment with a ghost and a spider. And then on the back is more. So I just clipped it with this spider right here. So that spider is holding everything together. And then I'm gifting her some socks, and these are like Dracula socks. I put it in this cute bag. I can't remember who gifted me this bag. I believe it was Crafting with Fury, or it was Call Me Mitchie. I forgot. One of them two sent me bags, so there's that bag. Here's another bag, and I'm using this bow gifted to me. I almost broke it. This bow gifted to me by Sparkling Ghoul, and I will have her link below. So in this bag, I just have the trim, the spiderweb trim, and that way she can make her own trim just like Emily does, and yeah, and use it in her swaps. Hopefully I don't break this. So that's that bag. Then you guys all seen this. I'm sending her the crystal ball, you guys. This is the crystal ball. Has the fortune cookies in it. You guys seen this already. It's gonna be linked below as well. And then let's see here. These are the syringe embellishments with the banners inside. I'm sending her 2, so she has 2 to use for next year. I have a video on that as well. I made another vending machine, one of Adriana Alvarez's vending machine, using my SVG file, and I will have that file linked below. I did make some adjustments. I love it. I love how miniature it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. So on the back is just plain, and then the inside I modified it to where you'll have the chips in this section, and then a box where you could include your embellishment. So this is like faux chips here. There's nothing in that, and that's what this box is holding. I could even make it smaller and make the box inside bigger, so you can see it pulls out and you can see the box down below. So that's it right here. So again, these are faux chip bags. Nothing's inside. Here is some trim that I purchased from Disco Dolly. I will have her linked below. She was selling some trim, and it was like a bag full of trim that I will be also gifting to people. And then I have this skeleton hand gifted to me by Crafting with Fury, along with words that say spooky, and then some ghosts there. So those are foam ghosts. And so you just put them in here. And then let's go ahead and get into the bottom. So in here, you can see I added a little piece. It came in the paper pad. It says Trick or Treat Yourself, I believe. Yeah. So I added it there, and then here is the box that I was showing. So I did add these little I forgot. I can't even speak, so you guys know what I mean. And so in this box are some embellishments, and here are some banners. This one says Boo. This one says Candy, and this one says Magic. And they're just embellishments. So those are flag embellishments. And then those are banner embellishments. These are flags. And here are the flags. Look how cute. I added some wire wrapping there. Super cute. Added this washi to keep them in place. And so I just added, yeah, so little tiny flags, really cute flags. Those are similar to the ones in the push-up container. And then I made her some of these flowers. These are SVG files. I will have it linked below. And so I just have them down there on the bottom. And so the banners will go there, and then the flags, and then this right here, and then everything fits inside. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. So this is something that I made, and I didn't have enough time to put it in the Halloween series. I really wanted to put this in the Halloween series. It's going to be called Monster Mix, but I didn't have enough time. So let's go into it. Let me show you the mix. And what it is are these fingers, these Frankenstein fingers that I found at Michael's. And you pull them out and they have a mix. So all they are is a monster mix that I'm calling it. And hopefully I can make some next year and show you guys how to do that. This is not an SVG file. I did this by hand, so very easy box to do. And then I added these Frankenfingers, and so that was foam balls. And then this one is confetti mix, black and white with gold. And these are found, oh, the thing came off, at the 99-cent store. And so, yeah, she's gonna have to push it down and then lift it up. But yeah, that one is nice right here. And then the last monster mix is some sequence mix. And so I added this spider right here. I knew it would fall off because of all the glitter, but it's just, hopefully we can keep that on long enough for her to do the video. Hopefully all the glitter, I need to scratch off all the glitter and then add some hot glue. Maybe it'll stick, but here it is. That is so cute, you guys. I'm in love with this. I wish I was able to show you guys that in the video. And then here are some goodies. I still have to, here's this huge spider. It's an SVG file. I added some a belly band and using the paper pad, and then this was gifted to me in a swap by Sparkling Ghoul, and it says Happy Halloween. So it is a belly band, you slide it off, and then here are some goodies. And what I am gifting her are these flowers right here, these Alphas by American Crafts. This die that I picked up from KG Crafts, I will have everyone linked below. And then these Halloween treat bags that I picked up from Target. So that is all, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know it's Halloween, and yeah, this is the last of the Halloween, you guys. No more Halloween this year. I had so much fun, you guys. I had so much fun making everything. Everything was so much fun, and hopefully, Natalie, you enjoy everything I made you, and we'll be able to swap again next year or another time. So I'll see you guys. Bye.